Hey, what's up, guys? This but no. Shout out to Panda Bears channel. I put a link in the question for you. I put a link on the. Yeah, find her right now. I put a computer right now. So find her Miss Marinas. Go to Instagram and Snapchat. Find her. It's named Pepper Rose. It's cool video new pills for her. So right now I'm working on it right now. So alright, I get my iPad. I gotta compare it up. Okay, let's do this new video. Let's get into this video. Okay. Okay, into this vlog, man. Spider Waddle. Alright. That's new, guys. That's new. Busy, guys. Busy, dude. Alright. Hey, got there. Oh, it's quite nice outside today. Oh, open up. Oh my god, it's pretty nice outside. I open blinds. Move this out of the sun. I'm gonna get this. Fly. Okay, what's new, guys? What's new? Busy, guys, busy. I jump my day. The house. So. Drake, you kissing me, son? Okay. Alright, guys. This much fun, guys. Alright. What's up, guys? Back up video about 2020. What's up, guys? What's new, buddy? Me, I didn't do nothing today, so I downstairs at washroom today. The basement doing my DJ. So right now, I'm doing one now. Work on my channel. So yeah. I'll put a Panda Bear channel. Yeah, I'll put a link for her. Oh, devastate. They so much set of fathers that had devastate our fathers. Something like that. Alright. Welcome into this video, guys. Let's get into this video. Guys, subscribe my videos. Subscribe me.
Subscribe to Annalise videos.
And subscribe and my girlfriend subscribe. The 1 second.
Subscribe to Annalise.
Yes, follow her and me. So, two things you need, guys. One of my page. And hi, folks. I put wait to that show to put a Dropbox in of free. An exhibition, a job, Josh Road. No, boy part. Okay. But okay, take the spill, guys. Okay. Alright. But I put the wing during our fire last night. I put a regular question, try to get out. That last night I just posed last night. Can you find me subscribe? So I started a stream last night. So yeah, I get an update on your email and find me on Instagram. So yeah, and Facebook. So yeah. Ooh, I'm over about 4. Nice. This is Marshall, guys. Fog. Alright, guys. So, this weekend, I go to, so tomorrow night, is Friday, tomorrow's Friday. Cause I'm over to shout out my video, who just shouts out tomorrow Friday. I wake up 8, so I just get this finish. I get update you guys. You shout out. It's good at Facebook. Alright, get an update on TikTok too. I'm tired. So right now, I get tired of it. Dad has to work, so alright. How am I doing right now? Oh yeah, Pebbles channel. Shoot. Okay. Alright, let's start with John. No, her dad is. A D. Alright, guys. Hit follow for new people. Subscribe. No, just me. Alright. I bet I get my pay out, squeeze. Alright. So fish and fly. Time is all the country.
In this video, we'll show you how you can easily change your YouTube channel name and profile picture without needing to change them for your Google account. Your channel name and profile picture show on your channel homepage, on your video watch pages, and next to all your comments and other public actions. First, let's walk through how to change your all activity will still be In this video, we'll show you how you can easily change your YouTube channel name and profile picture without needing to change them for your Google account. Your channel name and profile picture show on your channel homepage, on your video watch pages, and next to all your comments and other public actions. First, let's walk through how to change your channel name. To change your channel name from a desktop, go to YouTube Studio and then Customization. From here, go to Basic Info, then click the Edit icon. Here, you can enter your new channel name. Once you're done, click Publish. To change your channel name from mobile, tap your profile picture and then Your Channel. Tap Edit Channel, and then tap the Edit icon to enter your new channel name. Then tap OK. Note that once you update your name, it may take a few days for your new name to display across YouTube. Also, if your channel has a verification badge, changing your name will make your verification badge go away, so you'll need to reapply. Next, let's walk through how to change your profile picture. To change your profile picture on desktop, go to YouTube Studio and then Customization. From here, go to Branding. Click Upload and select the image you want to be your profile picture. You can adjust the size of your image and click Done. Then click Publish. To change your profile picture from mobile, tap your profile picture and then Your Channel. Tap Edit Channel, then tap your profile picture. You can take a photo or choose a photo to upload. Then click Save. Remember, there are certain criteria your profile picture will need to meet. It will need to be a JPEG, GIF, BMP, or PNG file. It cannot be an animated GIF. It also needs to be a minimum of 98 by 98 pixels, but our recommended image size would be 800 by 800 pixels, and the maximum file size is 4 megabytes. Once you update your profile picture, it may take a few minutes for it to update across YouTube. When updating your channel name or profile picture, remember that you must follow our community guidelines. And remember, changing your YouTube channel name and profile picture will only make this change on YouTube. It won't make changes to your Google account, and all activity will still be stored to your Google account. For more information about changing your channel name or profile picture, check out the links in the description.
So about that. Oh, God, I got your comments. Oh, there's a pepper in the comment. Oh, sorry, I know I'm vlogging. Sorry guys, don't do me that. Sorry about that. What are you doing, guys? Just take that. So, what are you doing all week? So, So I get an update about my computer. I get an update, you guys, in my computer. And I pop back in you guys. Go to my Instagram. I like Instagram a lot. Just go to my Instagram. So, why? Email. You what? Alright, guys. I'm not caught. I'm not caught tonight. It's more coming up. More. Yeah, I get an update in that. That. So I'm not gonna do this yet. But I'll shut down here. So. I'm tired. I am tired. Tired person.
So me and Ashley will will come down and we'll get the furniture and we'll bring the dogs so you can meet them. Got it. It might be so next. Not next week. So probably the week. So not it probably won't be a week.
Oh my god. I gotta take my bladder. Oh no. Yeah, I get back for guys. I can just I come out in a minute. Alright. Got this good up, got this good up. Mother, get turned up. Alright. Yep.
Yeah, I completed everything else, it was just this I-2 or I-9. Weird.
Cell number.
So the one-time access code is N, receipt code. So receipt code is HP.
Hang on, I don't see it. Oh, receipt code is capital?
No. All lowercase. HP UMB 276
T,
T as in Tom.
okay.
And the access code
Sent to you.
is NHD capital X capital W H capital M capital lowercase I.
Okay, so double check me on those.
Yeah. So maybe you need to put your access code in.
Well, it says access code sent to Eric, access code sent to Cara, and then receipt code. This one-time access code is Did you double check and make sure I read them right?
Yeah, the other two there are good.
G. Stop. Do not participate in completion of section 2 for if you are the new hire or a relative individual whom you will be completing section 2 or if you are
What? It says family member on it.
okay, stop. Do not participate in completion of section 2 of this form I-9 if you are the new hire or a relative of the individual for whom you will be completing section 2.
So, but it literally asks for a family member. What?
Oh my god, you say it could almost catch me. Almost. Too close. Okay, my dad taking most of it out. So I just wanna know, so I will talk to dad. Best time in LA. Every time that answer me, I just wanna go. I just have a drink. Yeah, maybe do that. Alright, guys, hang on. Check that it's doing. Guys, doesn't make a house, so I'll turn it off. So, oh yeah, this is me call tonight. I'll see you later on.